Welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And as y'all know, it's the end of August. It was my birthday. And I had a good time. We went out to out in the Paul's and ate. And my husband brought me some roses. I got to choose out what color I wanted, which is always nice. And our big purchase arrived bright and early Wednesday morning. So that was fun. It was exciting. Worrisome. Held my breath when they're bringing it up the back stairs. They had some questions about the stairs too. They were a little bit steeper than what he usually does. And I will show you some pictures of them bringing almost 500 pounds up the back steps. Okay, this is the finished, what it looks like now that it's installed. And a lot of you might have noticed before that we had the flue put in here. We had a cover over it. And that's because we always planned on putting a stove in here since the very beginning. We just hadn't gotten around to doing it. This one is a cook stove. Also, these grates open up and then reveal a cooktop, a flat griddle top that you could put a skillet on, or you can put a pot on. And these are warming trays that help keep the food warm. Or if you want to slow cook something that needs to be up off the heat a little bit, you can put your plate on top there, and that will keep the plates warm and keep their food warm in the meantime. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's can take up to 16-inch logs in it. It has an ash dump that you control from a little knob down here, and you can control your damper with this switch right there. So that is our big purchase. Hopefully it will not be needed to be used to heat the house, but just in case we do have any rolling blackouts with electricity, which they threatened last summer that there was a possibility of that. So we decided to get the stove so we would have heat and a way to cook in the winter, just in case the electric went out. Okay, the other thing I did was clean the aquarium, which needed it very, very badly. But unfortunately, it looks like I might have damaged one of my fish. I hope it makes it, but go fish are funny like that. You never know. These guys are about, about 4 years old. So I don't know how long a go fish actually lives. It might be close to that time anyway. I don't know. Anyway, I may have lost one. But at least I have a clean aquarium again. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you would, please. Hit the bell icon, and that will tell you when I'm on next. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.